Hey guys, I'm about to make some soup, so let's cook together, okay? I want to make achi soup. I have my meat, I have my fish, which is here, and yeah, I just want to prepare everything and be ready to cook. So join me, let's make the yummiest, delicious achi soup you've ever seen. Don't mind me, I'm just kidding. So anyways, I'm gonna cut my meat now. I just got my meat out of the freezer and I'm about to cut it into the size that I want and then season and start cooking. It's been a while I cooked here. I've been very busy, guys. But anyways, we move. This will go sweet. Go sweet. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart. Stay, play your daddy now. Yeah, shout. Guys, I'm launching my beautiful pot. My beautiful pot. Although I've launched this one, but the other one I've not used it yet. So I'm going to use this one for this soup. I have my meat here. Let's cut some onions and put in here. So this is for seasoning of the meat. You know, when some people are cooking or have soup, they don't like putting onions in it, but you must season the meat, then you will need some onions, right? Especially to each their own. Whew. Let's add some salt, guys. A little more. Seasoning cubes. So I'm gonna carry this and put it on fire. Some habanero pepper. Let's spice up the food. Spice up the meat with habanero pepper. Habanero pepper. Pepper. Adding some habanero pepper. As they drift on by, healing every worry, every doubt and fear in the stillness. Christ's voice, crystal clear. So this is my stockfish. I'm trying to wash, clean, and then put it in the pot so that it will also cook as well. But I'm not going to put it right away. I'm going to wait for the meat to at least cook halfway before putting this. This is just stockfish ears. Ear of stockfish. So yeah, let me wash this and I'll be back. Oh. Morning light breaks with a golden hue, bringing life to everything new. Peace still lingers in the fresh of dawn, guiding us until all fear is gone. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above. Like I said before, let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Oh, it is cooking. Let's keep cooking it, guys. So guys, I'm trying to debone the fish and wash it. So that is what I'm doing now, and I'm watching a show. I'm watching a show on YouTube, so you might be hearing little noises. No grief for anybody.
Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength, like a gentle dove, healing power from above. In the hush of night, all the world asleep. Breathe in harmony, soft and deep. Christ flows
Stockfish just washed, so I'm gonna put it now.
in that moment, set your spirit free. Morning light breaks with a golden hue, bringing life to everything new. Peace still lingers in the fresh of dawn.
I'm adding some water.
Until all fear is gone. Let the peace guide
Adding some oil, guys.
where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above.
So let's leave this to continue cooking. This is looking so yummy already. I might be adding a little more water to it. Not mind, actually, I'll be adding some more water. So let's cover it. So I have this Hudabeauty seed that I'm gonna be putting in the soup. I'm gonna blend it now and put it in the soup. This is the secret ingredient. I mean, it takes this soup to another level. Yummy. Try it and let me know. Guys, I'm adding the dry fish right now. I'm adding the dry fish. Oof, oh my god. So I blended some skin of the fish and added, but I didn't realize my camera was not recording at that time. So I added the blended skin of the dry fish in the pot, which is why we have this beautiful color here, and it gives it a very nice, unique taste. Sometimes if you want to enhance the taste of your food, you can just do this. Blend the skin of your dry fish and add it to your soup. You will love it. So anyways, this is what we have now. I'm going to be adding some crayfish. That's enough. And I just added the Hudabeauty seed. I blended Hudabeauty seed and added to that. I'm going to be adding some ogiri to this. Some ogiri. So this is the time you check for taste. And I'm going to be adding some more pepper to my soup, because I want that spike of spiciness. Now I'm gonna stir it. Oh, look at this. Yummy, yummy. Ooh. Amazing. I'm gonna be adding my achi. I will just add 1 spoon. This is my achi powder. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon first because actually I added the tablespoon and because this actually thickens a lot and I don't want this soup to be too thick. So I'll see how this one goes. Let me see the consistency of this one. Then I'll know if I'm going to add more. Yum. So let's cover this and let it cook. My God. All right. Let's see what we have here. Look at this yumminess. Look at this yumminess, guys. Amazing, right? And the consistency is okay. It's good. Now I'm adding my bitter leaf. Adding some bitter leaf. Let us wrap this cooking up. Soup wey go sweet oh, na by eye go first see am. Look at this. Look at this. I think I should add some more water though. What do you guys think? Soup is ready. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Soup is ready. Ready, ready, ready. Nice consistency. Ofe you go. Bring your swallow, guys. Let's eat some food. Some good food. Ah. Food gasimo. Ah. Yum.
Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade, worlds apart. Silence strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above, healing power from above, healing power from above, healing power from above, from above.
Yeah, no, I'm saying that. It was possible.
Silent hours when
Guys, I'm about to make eba. Eba for this yummy soup.
like a river gently finds its way, settles all the questions from my day. Stars above are twinkling in the midnight.
This is how we do it. And like this, you take the make eba. You get it? I don't think this spatula or toner is efficient enough, but I don't want to stain another one now, so we'll keep at it. I just served my husband because he likes his soup very hot. So I serve him first before ours. On days I'm not eating with him.
He still lingers in the fresh of dawn, guiding us until all fear is gone. healing power from above. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above. Healing power from above. Healing power from above. Healing power from above. From above. Silent hours when the moonlight
Guys,
glows.
okay. Let me hold you.
I hear
No, not yet.
where the soft wind flows. Peace like a
Live.
river gently finds
How are
its
you?
way.
Mbobo.
Settles all the questions from my day. Stars above are
Sounds
twinkling
polite.
in the midnight sky, speaking words of comfort as they drift on by, healing every worry, every doubt and fear in the stillness. Christ's voice, crystal clear.
Bobo, go give to daddy, okay?
Peace guide
Give
you
to daddy.
deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds
Thank you.
apart. Silent strength
Go give to daddy.
like a gentle dove, healing power from above. In the
Yes.
hush of night, when the
What's that?
breathing
Huh?
harmony soft and
No, you don't need
God's
spoon.
love wraps around like a gentle sea. In that moment, set your spirit free. Morning light breaks with a golden hue, bringing life to everything new. Peace still lingers in the fresh of dawn, guiding us until all fear is gone. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart.
No.
Questions fade
Wait, what?
worlds apart.
I'm done, guys. This is it. Done cooking, done serving, and it's time to eat. So, see you guys next time. Bye.
Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade.